Well, hi, welcome to Bella's Vistas. Well, we just got back from a 10-week run in the van. We headed out to Newfoundland. We covered a lot of places in Newfoundland, got to Belle Island, St. John's for a sunset. Lots of beautiful pictures to see. We had a great time. We went to New Brunswick, got to Dixon Falls, got some shots there. Came back. On the way back, we went through the Dark Sky Park in Lennox, Addington, where we got some deep sky photographs. So please check them out.
Well, we had a wonderful trip. There we are at the Dark Sky Park. I got some great shots of the Pleiades and things. Did have some issues with the van. Wow. I had these bushings professionally replaced, and once again I had to order a new set of bushings and do everything myself. Wow. Well, not by myself. I had some great help from an 84-year-old Ford race car mechanic. There's the bushings the way they were put in.
Change the bushings out.
I had to do some work to fix this.
It's all right there, and up she goes.
Here I'm taking everything apart. Working away under the van. I should have been wearing a hat too, absolutely. These things were in so tight it was almost impossible to get some of the parts out, but I got it done. Use a big pry bar sometimes, and at one point my friend was using 2 pry bars while I was working underneath. These washers were just on so tight there was everything was kind of misaligned. You can see how everything is catawampus there. You'll see when we get her done how it's supposed to look. On a van, these parts are really heavy. They're really serious weight there. It'd be nice if it was a little higher up in the air, but the van is high. It's a high van, and can't really get it up that much. But I'm still working at that. My goodness. That was one of the hardest parts to get. Once we got that, it wasn't so bad. Couldn't really pry on anything there. Now I'm getting the bracket out on this side. That's the bracket that it basically holds the radius arm bushings forward, which the bumping was just incredible at this point. I mean, here I'm getting, these bushings were only on for a couple days, like maybe 25 kilometers, and they're toasted. You can see how that is. And they're hard to get apart because everything was just smushed. But once I got it done,
Yeah, they're not easy to
there
go
you can
together.
see that black collar. That black collar is not supposed to be in there.
Look at that. Look at the shape.
You can
that
see the
bushing
shape
is
that
in.
bushing is in.
That was brand new.
Wow. Absolutely shot. Now this is how it's supposed to go. The plastic ring goes onto the bracket like that, and the bushing fits inside there. That's what keeps everything straight. Here you go. Now we got 84 years and 74 years of experience. What's that, about 158 years? We're getting it in there. Now you can see already things look a lot straighter than they were. I did as much of this as I could myself, but I certainly needed a lot more help than I would have liked to have needed. But, you know, Sometimes an extra pair of eyes, extra pair of hands really helps. Now I got to get this up there.
It's really snug.
Roger's pushing this way and that way on things to try and get everything to line up. Got a nasty whack on my head there that if I would have been wearing a hat. Now the thing's in place. You can see how nice and straight everything looks. And I cannot believe the difference this made in the van. This van, if you went on a washboard road, you'd be on one side of the road to the other. Look how nice and straight that is. That's just perfect. My goodness. The good folks at KW Spring aligned it up for me for free when I told them my story. They had, well, we had some work done there in the past, and they really set me up this time. They did a great front end alignment on the van, and it works great. I got back to the Dark Sky Park for a few shots. I was there for 3 nights, but the one night I actually couldn't take any pictures. I was just too tired. And these are some of the shots that I got. That's Andromeda Galaxy. So pleased with that one. There's some shots we got coming through Algonquin Park on the way home. We had a great drive. We'll be making more videos about this. This is up by Lennox Addington. Beautiful hike up there. Here's some of our photographs that are for sale. There's going to be a link in the description to our gallery where you can buy the photographs. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Please like, subscribe. Come on back again real soon. We can't do this without you.